balance is a learned skill. And I think this is a very, very important point for us. It's not an inborn skill, in other words. It's not something we were born with. It is something that needs to be learned. And it's learned through our interaction with the environment. It's learned through encountering different difficulties and challenges. Of course, the number one challenge is learning how to stand and learning how to walk. Already very, very significant achievements. And you can just imagine for a moment what an extraordinary skill balance is. If you think that we maintain our balance on two very small feet, in other words, our base is very small while moving. So it's one thing to stand, but it's a much more complicated achievement that we are able to maintain our balance while walking. Balance involves our whole entire self. In other words, not just one system, but if you think of it, it involves our visual system. Anybody who's ever gotten seasick or car sick knows that there's a balance mechanisms in our ear. This is called our vestibular system. Our proprioceptive system is involved. Proprioceptive is where we are in space. And our sensory system, understanding what we're doing. Not only are they all involved, but they're integrated in a beautiful, seamless, and most of the time, unless I have trouble, a silent way. I'm never aware of having to work to maintain my balance.